Sizzl. Bill Hugall's Sizzl. Sizzl, new $100 plus day method. Very newbie friendly. Completely fresh and unique. Proven and fully tested. No list required. No tech skills needed. Sizzl is a complete and proven $100 plus day system. We're including done-for-you proven to convert squeeze pages, blog pages, emails and pre-selected offers. Customers can be up and running within 24 hours with this, and both free and paid traffic strategies are covered inside the training. O2O number 1, Pro Upgrade, $37. In this Pro Upgrade, we are including an additional $300 day method that goes hand in hand with Sizzl, as well as a newbie-friendly method to building a responsive buyer's list fast. O2O number 2, 5-figure Paydays, $37. This is our secret sauce system to doing 4 to 5-figure paydays. Whenever we've got a $40K to $50K PayPal balance, it's largely thanks to this exact method. O2O number 3, $10K Ninja, $197. This is our top-level training to getting to $10K month online. Others had to pay $297 for this. So we are giving a juicy discount to Sizzl members on this O2O number 4, 100% final commissions, $47. In this upgrade, we're offering full resale rights plus 100% commission across the entire Sizzl sales funnel. And in this upgrade, we're also including all the sales and promo material. Bang an easy $120 plus day, even if you have no list, no experience, no product, and no tech skills. This new Sizzl system is very step-by-step and easy to be. Here's what you're getting inside Sizzl, full A to Z overview of the method, so you can hit the ground running as soon as today. How to set up your very first Sizzl campaign. The exact steps to start getting results within 24 to 48 hours. Step-by-step training to ensure that you stay on track and don't get lost. How to set up everything, every option, and every step. No stones are left unturned. DIY tools and resources to make the entire process 10x easier for you. This is a proven and tested system that banks $100 to $200 day like clockwork. And now it's your turn to start getting results for yourself. Bill Hugall Sizzl.